It's a real quick app here. I made where I can plot sine, cosine, and sine times cosine in this little window here. And I can adjust the axis with these slider bars. I want to show you the code, and then I'm going to run it for you. So this is basically the code that does this. You'll see that I used fplot, just like I would have. I have to refer to app UI axis, which is my graphic window that I have right here. This window right here is app UI graphics, okay, when doing this. Okay, if I'm wondering how to reference the title or whatever, I need to look no further than the labels. There's how I figured out how to access that label title string, X label string, Y label string. Same thing with fonts. Here's the font name. Exact same thing with just the dots, and MATLAB will help you when you do this. Let me just show you one more thing. The button events, all I do with the button events is transfer the slider values back up to this little function that I wrote right here. Methods access private function for this particular app. Let's run it and see what it does. So let me make it a little bit larger. And I'll do a sine plot, okay? And you can see I can adjust the X variable, the independent variable. I can adjust the magnitude of this. You can see it went up to 10, 8, okay? Cosine plot, same thing. Sine times cosine plot. I can adjust these variables back and forth, and it updates the plot. Let me show you the code one more time so you can see it. It's not much to it. It's really 2, 4, 6 lines of code, and well, I put the labels in for the independent variable and the Y variable. That's about all there is to it. These two right here are just simply me transferring the values of those sliders back up to the function that I wrote. So this would get you started if you wanted to write a function.